This is Ian from In 30 Minutes Guides, and sometimes I get questions about what's the difference between buying a new iPad on Apple.com or at the Apple Store versus buying a refurbished iPad, which is basically a used iPad, which are also for sale, some models on the Apple Store. If this video helps, please take a moment to like and follow me. Let's get started. So we're looking at the selection of refurbished iPads as of late 2023 on the Apple Store. There's 8th generation and 9th generation. You can see the 9th generation 256 gigabyte is $409. The new version of the exact same iPad is available for $479. So So the first difference is you're saving about $70 if you buy the refurbished one. However, there's another very important difference between this one and this one. Even though when you open up a refurbished iPad for the first time, it's completely wiped clean. You'll be walked through the registration process for it just as you would for a new one. But the one thing I've noticed on the used iPads I've purchased in the past is the battery life is not as good. You're actually taking a bit of a gamble when you buy a refurbished iPad on Apple.com because you have no idea how good or bad the battery is. And in my experience, I've found the battery life has just been not so great when I've purchased used refurbished items on the Apple Store. So if you're really trying to save some money, the refurbished iPad is a great option. However, if battery life is a concern, I would actually suggest buying the new one. It's only $70 more, and you'll know that the battery will be in top condition when you get it. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it and follow me, and I'll see you next time.